Here we go. We are in a new hotel room, or hostel. Let's take a look at this. Just coming in, here's the door, coming in, this is a room. It's very cool, like being in a jungle. Am I in a jungle? No, I'm not in a jungle. I'm in a hostel. Up there, it could be a monkey climbing up there. It could be a monkey, so it could basically be the jungle, but behind the jungle, there is a handle. And in here, there is a bedroom. Yes, it's small, but still, there is what you need. Toilet paper, place to do your business, brush your teeth, something there. But it's small. Small desk, another mirror, and a bunk bed. And it's very tall, and the monkey climbed the stairs and sitting up there.
What did you just call me? Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's very smart made. So, and of course the view outside, you can see what you call vandkunsten in Denmark. It's out there. It's a very famous piece, very old also. And you can see it's summer is coming, it's spring, so you can see people are outside having drinks. And that's exactly what we gotta do too. Today we will have a drink, we will have a beer, a gin and tonic, a rum and coke, or whatever we're gonna drink. And we're gonna... Food first. Food is now, food and drinks. And then we gotta see the famous Danish band called Skull Club. Skull Club, check them out. They're singing in Danish and they got some English speaking tracks also. Check them out. It's gonna be a fiesta. Rock and roll. I will link to one of the songs below and you can check it out. It's gonna be fun. Does the little climber want to say something? Sitting on.
You really upgraded your YouTube game now. I will link the. I will put the link below.
I fucking always up my game. I will up my game now because later I will be tipsy. That's it. Rock and roll.
Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Nakabalik na kami dito sa Denmark. Actually, 1 week na kaming nandito pero hindi lang ako nag-video kasi sobrang naging busy lang kasi dumating kami Saturday night tapos Sunday, only got Sunday na para makapag-relax. Tapos on Monday na work na straight until Friday tapos ngayon Saturday, pupunta kaming concert ni Martin mamaya. Siya metal concert, yung mga ganong music yung gusto niya. So sasamahan ko siya. And so today nasa kami hostel. Ito talaga yung area guys na yung mga alam mo yung backpackers dito nag-check in. Tapos ang dami sa baba. Tapos ang cool ng place talaga, parang may daming basta papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung yung baba. So sobrang ganda dito. Ang binayad namin mga 700 kroner. Tapos magstay kami dito ng 1 night kasi nga mag-attend kami ng concert mamayang gabi, tapos for sure makakainom kami, and then it's much easier na magstay na lang dito kaysa umuwi doon sa bahay tapos mag-taxi. Ang taxi, ang mahal dito guys, it will maybe cost us around 1,500 kroner, so mas better choice na hostel na lang kasi nasa lang mga 700 yung babayaran. So andito kami ngayon. Maliit lang yung place. Pero okay siya, malinis. Kita nyo double yung higaan. So si Martin sa baba, ako naman sa itaas. So yon, while waiting for the time, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo guys yung yung binili ko sa Goodie box. In order ko siya ito. Goodie box. Ang laman nito mga makeup. Tapos subscription din siya guys. Every 3 months, darating ang box na ganito. Tapos may mga makeup. na ano, na nasa loob. So, it's 129 kroner yung bayad ko. Hindi siya mabigat kasi every 3 months lang din naman yung bayaran. So, dumating siya kahapon at saka makikita nyo guys, prinang ko kahapon si Martin nung dumating yung package. Sabi ko sa kanya, kaya siya yung nag-open. Akala niya talaga yung gift ko sa kanya. Pero anyway, ito, dinala ko siya kasi gusto ko din i-try dito mamaya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung laman. So, ito yung goodie box. Sana mabasa nyo. Tapos, ito yung laman. May 4 items siya. Yan. Eyeshadow pala yan guys. Akala ko blush on. Tapos yan. Ano ba to? Shimmer Waves. Highlighter. Mga ganyan. Tapos, tamang-tama. Naubusan na ako ng eyeliner. Tapos, lipstick. So, ito try ko siya. Oh, maganda pala siya. So, yun. Anong brand ito? Hindi ko nabasa. Dowsi. Iwan ko anong brand yan, guys. Pero yan na. So, happy ako kasi 129 kroner lang siya. Tapos, 4 items na. Kasi naman, gusto ko talaga bumili ng lipstick. Pag bumili ako ng lipstick, nasa mga 100 plus ko siya dito. Kaya naisip ko, why not check this one? 4 items. Tapos, nasa 129 lang. Yan, happy lang. Okay guys, thank you. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup guys, pero ita-try ko siya kasi alis naman kami ni Martin. So, yung sa akin ano lang, kung ano-ano lang, hindi talaga ako magaling dito. Tapos sabi eyeshadow daw to, so try ko ilagay. Eh, hindi ko nadala yung mga brush ko, so kamay na lang. Pink na pink naman siya, oy. Oh, hindi naman siya ganun ka-pink talaga. Nagano na pala ako kanina ang tawag nito? My God, nag-blanco talaga ako. Ito pala. Nagano na. Naganito na ako kanina. Tapos ngayon, lagay ko na itong diretso. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup, pero ganda siya ha. Feel ko mas maganda to pag white skin. Sobrang dark ko nga kasi galing nga sa Pinas. Okay na yan eh. Hindi obvious pero okay lang. Oh, look at yung lipstick. Char. Blurry naman eh. Kasi yan yung lipstick guys. Blurry siya. Okay lang. Gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung parang, yung hindi obvious. Tapos, yung eyeliner na
So also a house like this coming. This is in the countryside, but near my mother and near Frederiksberg, right? Look.
Wait. Nako, nakalimutan ko pala yung Ha? Nakalimutan ko yung dun ba? Yung para sa eyelash.
Let's go.
It's a good. So, ito na guys. Ito na. Simple lang. Parang walang makeup. Pero, yan lang. See you mamaya. So guys, papunta na kami sa labas. Hanap kami ng food. Ito yung parang shared shower here. Patingin nga. Yeah. Palabas na kami, guys.
We didn't do anything. We just
Yeah, but it's also fun still. So anyway,
this place.
nasa So we're just walking around. There, is this the place?
No.
Oh.
The next one is.
Okay.
No, that's
That looks familiar. Kain tayo ng shawarma. Ito kakainin namin.
So everything is trying to make me smile.
Yeah. Lakad-lakad muna kami, guys. Katatapos lang namin kumain. Tapos ngayon lakad-lakad pauwi sa hostel.